the lies they told you and I in agriculture. Yes, the lies they told you and I in agriculture. This is just what we want to reveal in this video. Somebody might say, sir, what is the lies? Which kind of lie? Yes, there are some lies they told us in agriculture which I have found out and I have come to reveal it to us. While growing up as a young boy, for you, even you will accept me, you that is watching this video right now in any part of the world, you will accept with me, except and otherwise that, let me just put it, let me not say across the world, but in this part of the world where we are, this is the lies they told us. Our parents, our teachers, even our agri teachers, they told us these lies. Yes, many agricultural teachers in school don't really know what they do when it has to do with agriculture. Many people has gone vast in agriculture just by doing one or two things with their hands. They are able to bring out results. Many of our teachers who went to school with degrees in agriculture, many of them, in fact, you still don't really know anything. No understand. So this is the lies they told us in agriculture. And what is that lie? If you have watched this video to this extent, this is the first time you're seeing my face, and then this is the first time you're seeing my channel or my video, please, what you do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one you're about to watch or you are just watching now. You don't understand. So what is the lie? Back to our business. We like to be straight to the point. Now, while growing up as a young boy, for maize, we're told that, okay, you will agree with me if this lie, if this thing I want to say, you encountered it while growing, please hit it in the comment section. And what is that? Maize farming. In short, when we're growing up, when you want to plant maize, when you want to plant corn, they will tell you these things I want to tell you now. You have to plant your corn, put like 4 seeds of corn, still put cucumber seed, like 2 or 1, then also put normal melon. You put melon seed inside there. 4 corn seed, maize seed, 1, 2 watermelon or 1, and then with this thing, without what is it called, with melon. Please, I ask a question. How do you expect these things to bear? Or how do you expect these things to do well? You are choking them. You are choking them. You are choking them. From that same soil, from that same ground, from that same hole, from that same place, the corn is struggling to feed from there. The watermelon, the other melon, the normal melon, which all of us know, is struggling. And then the cucumber as well is struggling from the same hole. That is the lies they told us. But growing up now, I came to understand while I'm venturing in. If you see my corn farm, which is there, it's just that I planted them late. Let me just put it like that. So, but it's growing. But I know that with time it will grow to an extent. I'm not giving up on it. Understand? I came to understand that to give a standard order of farming, neat farming, neat. 1 seed per hoe. So okay, you don't really put 2. But I don't put 2, I just put 1 seed per hoe. You don't understand? It gives these plants the capacity to spread, the capacity to bear, the capacity to grow well. This same lie was told you. It was told me. In short, I practice it. Let me not just tell you it was told me. I practice it. You self practice it. So if you have watched this video to this point, and then you have found something important that, okay, sir, but it's true or it's lie, please, I like when I tell you something, say, go and do your findings. If it's not lie, come to my video, post under, say, sir, this is a lie. You don't understand? So agriculture is becoming a vast. You need to learn more. You want to go into maize farming, please one seed per hole, just to give them a better yield and a better space for them to bear. If you have watched this video to this extent, that means you are liking my videos and then you're subscribing to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one. It is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Josie Agri. I'll see you guys in the next video.